Hi viewers, today I am preparing chana masala, the North Indian dish this is. I have soaked overnight 250 grams of chana, 3 chopped tomatoes, 2 onions, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoonful of tea powder, oil, salt, chilli powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, half spoon garam masala, 1 spoon chole masala, half spoon chaat masala. First, boil half glass of tea powder. Take one bowl and put soaked chana dal and add water. Boil for 10 minutes. Before that, strain the boiled tea water into the soaked chana dal while boiling. Leave for 10 minutes. Let it boil. The tea powder water gives taste to the chole masala or chana masala. Add 1 spoon of salt. Then let it cook. While it is boiling, see whether the chole or chana has boiled. Now strain it in a strainer. Don't throw the water which I have boiled. Keep it aside. Take 2 spoons of oil. Add chopped onions and fry till it turns light brown. Add 1 spoonful of ginger garlic paste and fry in the pan. Masala, 1 spoon of chilli powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, little bit turmeric, 1 spoonful of coriander powder, little bit salt because I have added the salt in chana or chole. Then garam masala 1 spoon, chana masala or chole masala 1 spoon, any brand, chaat masala half spoon. Fry it. Add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. After the tomatoes are softened, add chana or chole. It is very spicy and very tasty also. You try it at your home. You can eat in chapatis, parotas and also with puris. Add little bit strained water and leave for 5 minutes. Let it all the ingredients mix in that chana. The chana has cooked. Now see the water has all dried. You remove in a bowl. You can eat this as a snacks in the evening also. It is famous in North India. It is also called as chana masala or chole. You can eat in the evening snacks, or you can eat with chapatis, parotas and puris. Garnish with coriander leaves. Then if you like this chole masala or chana masala, you subscribe my channel and share to your friends and give likes. Thank you.